economy is really slowing down, then what does work best here? Last week I told you to watch PepsiCo, but what other stocks should you put on your shopping list that can ultimately rally in the face of the worldwide weakness that all the bears are predicting? Hey, you've come to the right place. I've got 6 of them. First, one on my face, Estee Lauder. Here's a cosmetics company run by one of the smartest executives I have ever met, Fabrizio Freda, formerly of Procter & Gamble, who's taken this prestigious brand and turned it into the most beloved makeup business on earth. Because we all live in the selfie generation where everyone has to look good anytime they step outside. Estee Lauder is in the catbird seat. I like the fact that Freda created what's known as a reverse mentoring system, where every so often the young people in the office mentor the old-timers to catch them up on the latest and greatest for the millennials. Plus, the company has got a fantastic Chinese business. Get this, that's only gotten better during the trade tensions. Is there another company on earth that can possibly say that? I don't think so. Second slowdown stock, Starbucks. Have you seen this thing creep from the 50s up to $90 ever since Kevin Johnson really got his hands dirty getting this thing over after he inherited from Howard Schultz? Johnson made it happen by taking $7.15 billion from the sale of the company's consumer packaged goods division and then using that money to buy back stock hand over fist because the share price was so undervalued. Even better, Johnson comes to Starbucks from Juniper Networks, a technology company, and he's used his tech expertise to solve the company's long-standing throughput problem. With its new technology, Starbucks can process many more transactions. Johnson's done this in his own quiet way. He's donned the green apron, and because he's not known, he could be both ubiquitous and anonymous. I really like that. He's improved the loyalty program, made good tie-ins with important Chinese businesses, and that includes extending the friendship Howard Schultz had with Jack Ma of Alibaba fame. That's important because the Chinese market is gigantic for these guys, and it had slowed down. Now it's coming back with a vengeance, and Starbucks doesn't seem to be suffering many ill effects from the trade war. Slowdown stock number 3 is Chipotle. Today, several firms raised their price targets on this one, and I think they did the right thing. Here's the deal with Chipotle. Ever since Brian Niccol took over as CEO in February of last year, he's brought a system of expertise to the company that had been missing under the previous regime. Like Starbucks, Chipotle suffered from incredibly spotty throughput. Niccol, late of Taco Bell of all places, has pretty much solved the problem. Of course, it didn't hurt that over this period, America's forgotten all about that health scare that put Chipotle in the penalty box in the first place. Oh, and CFO Jack Hartung, frequent guest of the show, bought back a ton of stock during the bad old days when the stock was much slower. What a shrewd decision.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.